Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your tech consultant here, and today we're going to take a look at a really interesting product, that is the Rhino Shield Playproof case for the iPhone 6s. Now, Rhino Shield was a company which got its major funding through Kickstarter for their project, the Rhino Shield. This is a screen protector that's supposed to be so cool that it can withstand hammer hits on the screen and withstand any kind of impact. I was a backer for their initial product, and yes, it is an excellent screen protector. After that, the company came up with the Rhino Shield Crash Guard, which is a minimalistic bumper that provides serious protection, and there are videos on YouTube of people throwing it off buildings and the phone still surviving. And now they have come up with a playproof case. They say worry not and have fun. This case is supposed to withstand impacts of even 11.5 feet, and it exceeds military standards of drop testing according to the 810G standards. So let's take a look at what the case is all about. It has the shock spread technology that absorbs impact of at least 11 feet, and it's built really thin and really strong, and it looks quite good as well. As you can see, the interiors are lined in quite well and will protect your phone. It's a really minimalistic case and absorbs a lot of impact according to them, and trusting the company on their previous products, it does seem so. It also comes with this fine 2.5D print, which is optional for an extra $5, and that's it about the case on the website. Let's take a look at the video of them dropping it. It features something called the egg drop technology. So as you can see, the phone easily survived an impact of 11.5 feet, and thanks to its honeycomb structure, egg drop technology, and two different materials used and combined in a polymer blend that's given here. And the case retails for $25, and for the extra $5 you can get the fine printing and different designs like how it looks right here. And right now they have some deals going on, the Black Friday deals till December, so I guess it'll be over today. 15 to 70% off is what they claim. So enough about that. Let's take a look at the case itself. While buying it for an optional $10, you can even get the Rhino Shield screen guard, which I spoke about earlier. This is a really cool screen guard, and I suggest everyone should go for it, as it can even withstand hammer drops on it. That's quite cool. So right now it's only available for the 6 or 6s and the 6s Plus or the 6 Plus, and this is the case itself. It took me about 10 days to get it to India, which is not that bad, and they charged about $5 for the shipping. So let's take a look at the box. Here's the famous shock spread technology that absorbs an impact of 11.5 feet, and this is for the 6s itself. The Rhino Shield logo right here. So let's take a look at the features of the case given in the back of the box. It says it exceeds military standards of drop testing. Those are the standards mentioned on cases like the UAG, which is the military standard 810G. It's easy to grip material. The corners are reinforced. It's really lightweight, really slim profile, and is made of recyclable materials. This is the Rhino Shield Playproof, made by the company Evolutive Labs. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Comes out really easily. And this is the case itself. I got the blue variant. This is the fine line interior. Let me focus on that. There, you can see the fine line honeycomb structure interior right here. The case is really well built. This is the Rhino Shield logo. It's developed in Cambridge, UK, and made in Taiwan. The scientists who developed this are quite cool, and I've seen their videos initially on their Kickstarter backing. The volume keys, silent slider switch, the power key. The case feels really firm and it's really well built. Doesn't feel like those flimsy $15-20 cases, silicone cases which you can buy online. Feels really durable and really strong, and the matte finish feels really smooth. It's not very grippy like how they claim, but it's still really smooth and I guess quite good to hold on to. The color is also really good. Should have opted for the additional $5 printing, I suppose, but as of now this will do. So let me get my iPhone 6s right here to show you how it fits. So as you can see, this is the iPhone 6s, the S logo behind, the space gray variant. So let me pop it in. First put in the camera side. So that's it. It fits in really quickly and really easily. It's a real snug fit, and there are no moving portions. It fits really well and feels really firm. The build is really good, and here's the lid up for the camera so that the camera doesn't come with impact, and there are quite a few reinforcements on the corners right here for extra impact protection, and the screen is also protected as well in case you want to keep it face down. Even with my tempered glass screen protector here, I can still feel that there is a slight raise. Probably if I remove that and put in their stock protector, which you can get for an extra $10, it'll be perfect with the case, as both of them are designed by the same company. But even as of now, it's really good, and the case feels really firm, with both protection for the screen in case of forward impact and the camera in case of backward impact. And anyway, in case of falls or side drops, it has standards that exceeds military standards of drop testing and can withstand impacts of even land 0.5 feet. It comes in various colors, and I suggest you go for the extra $10 option and get the impact protection screen guard as well, to provide optimum protection for your phone with a minimalistic package as a good looking case as well. The case looks good. It's really small and thin, looks a bit like the Apple case, but is way more protective, easy to carry around without adding much extra bulk like the OtterBox cases or the Defender cases, and provides even more, if not equal, protection as those cases. So that's it for this video. That's it about the Rhino Shield Playproof case. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.